Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set a stop loss on Binance for a long position. Before that though, what exactly is a stop loss? A stop loss basically means that if the coin hits a certain price, it will automatically sell or buy back that coin. Now this is a great tool for risk management for either going long or short. So right now I am on the trade dashboard over here on Binance, and if your screen looks little different, you can go over here to the gear wheel and then you can change the settings to classic like this. So basically what we will want to do is go over here to the section and we'll then want to click on stop loss. So when we click on stop loss, it will give us three options: their stop, limit and amount. Now because we are focusing on longing, we are going to look at only this side over here, which is the sell side. Now the stop over here basically is asking at what price am I wanting to sell? Should I go lower or should I go there? For example, if BNB goes below 350, right? So if I enter in 350, I am out, and that's it. That means if the price of BNB goes to 350, it's automatically going to sell and I am out. Now over here on limit, it's basically asking what is the maximum lowest price I'm willing to sell it. For now, the reason for this is because of how the order book works and their queue system. So for myself, I will put in 340 as this is the lowest amount that I am willing to sell it for should it go down there. And the last part over here is the amount, so it's the number of coin I'd like to sell. So I'm going to hit the slider and go to 100%. And after I have inputted all of this, I will click on sell BNB and it will ask for this confirmation, and I will click on confirm. And if we scroll down over here is my order. Now as you can see, I've got my stop loss, and that's pretty much how you can set a stop loss on Binance. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.